Hey there, April 5th, 2024, and here's your Rogue Trader Daily Trading Summary, and it's Friday, so this is the last summary until Monday, and not a lot going on, and this is exactly what we expected, and I've been talking about, which I kind of expect right through to about mid-April. Now, the market has a way of throwing in monkey wrenches and surprises, but let's just take a look at the action, and in fact, we got a little bit of strength right now coming up. Let me just share my screen. We got, moved up $1,000 off its low today. We're back up to around 68,000. Again, right smack in that middle of the range. I was saying, hey, we're going to be between low 70s and low 60s, probably until the halving. And I felt that if there was a chance we could move one way or the other, breaking the range, I felt slightly more inclined that we might move down. Anything can happen. What do we do today? Not much. Some of my discretionary accounts, I moved some risk from the May contract to the end of April, and a little bit from the May to the end of April into April 19th. Flat trades, net flat trades, but I'm earning all that intrinsic value at a much higher rate, right? So I'll if those trades go out worthless, or I buy them back very, very cheap, then I've done so in 2 weeks and 3 weeks versus having to wait, a month and a half or more. So that's about it. I don't expect a lot to happen today. I don't expect anything to happen over the weekend. Again, the market has a funny way of throwing you a curveball when you least expect it. And, right now, some wing protection is actually pretty reasonably priced. So I'm happy to buy 7th and 8th of April wing protection. We've done that. Of course, you can follow us on our live streams and see what we're doing there. But let's just let sleeping dogs lie. And right now, it's quite beautiful. Realistically, we would love to have 2 weeks, 2 months of the market just going sideways in a $5,000 to $10,000 range. That'd be beautiful, because we would realize all that intrinsic value that we've put out into longer dated calls and puts. We just bring that value forward and let it expire, or let it decay and buy it back. And our account just keeps growing and growing and growing. And of course, vols, implied volatility, would likely downtrend during that whole time, which is great for an option seller. So that's it for today's daily trading summary. Other than that, let's just stay cool and see what happens over the weekend. And I will see you on Monday.
Hey, and thanks for watching our daily summary video. For those of you who want to learn more, I would invite you to come and watch the full videos. These full videos are where Richard and I sit down every day, sometimes multiple times per day. We discuss the market, the metrics, our account, everything you can possibly imagine, and we execute the trades in real time. You get to see it all. Where else could you see professional fund traders do this in an account specifically set up for you, the viewer, to learn all the tips and tactics we've learned over the last 50 years combined? Now, this is for silver members and above. If you go to Roguetrader.academy, silver members and above get access to this live stream every day, as well as the recordings. On top of that, there's a weekly Ask Me Anything call. And as the name implies, you can ask us anything. Plus, you get access to all of our courses. We put out a new course every 3 or 4 months approximately. Plus, you get access to our interactive live alerts Telegram channel. And this is a Telegram channel where we're putting our trades in real time as we make them, but it's interactive. That's what makes it different. So you can ask us questions. We will chat back and forth during the day with all of our members. It's super, super incredible value. So do yourself a favor. Head over to Roguetrader.academy, join up, and we'll see you soon.